Gang, I can survive this Mr. Beast challenge forever, gang. I don't care, take years, months, or even years. I can survive this Mr. Beast challenge no matter what. I can survive it, gang. What am I saying this? Oh, lock me in the one for 6 days. You could get 800 blah blah blah. Man, Mr. Beast challenge easy. I can survive no matter what. I can survive a Mr. Beast challenge. Man, it's easy. I was staying for years, months, hours. Saying this, survive 500 days without no mom or dad. I'm surviving there for 6 days. 600 days, man. Mr. Beast challenge easy. Little good contestants leaving now. Say, oh my kitty cat, oh my man. I can survive Mr. Beast challenge. Put me in. I can survive this